I'm here at the LSU AgCenter Botanic Gardens, and I'm standing in front of the Steel Burden Memorial Orangery building, where we're getting ready to refresh our late summer landscape and make it look a little bit brighter for fall. We've got corn maze events coming up in the month of October, so we want to make this look inviting with a lot of fall colors. Now, as you've noticed in your yard probably, a lot of our late summer plants are getting a little bit crispy, they're getting tired, they're worn out, like this ornamental millet here. So we want to start replacing and refreshing, but not do a complete replacement like we'll do for cool season color around November. Some of my favorite plants to use this time of year are French marigolds. Now, we call these French marigolds in general because they have a smaller flower and it's overall in a smaller stature plant, which is great for the front of a bed. Now, right now, this beautiful ornamental sweet potato is still looking good, so I'm not going to replace that, but we are going to tuck these in around the corners just to kind of pull the bed together. Now, on the second layer where this Angelonia has stopped blooming, what I'd like to use are tropical crotons. You might be familiar with these more as a florist plant, but we love to use them to bring a mid-size height color to our fall landscape. And I mean, you can't get any more fall colors than these leaves right here. One of my other favorite plants to use this time of year are zinnias. These are great for the middle part of the bed as well. This is Louisiana super plant, Zesty Zinnia. So now's the time to get out there and refresh that late summer landscape with beautiful fall color. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter.